Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Build a brewing table and place it in a roofed, clean area. Position it near storage for quick haul and away from heat sources to reduce spoil risk. Stock 20 units of rice, corn, or potato as fermentable materials, and keep a small reserve of wood or fuel for powered machines. Assign a colonist with skill 4 or higher to brewing jobs so work completes reliably. Higher skill speeds production and reduces failures, while a dedicated brewer keeps batches moving steadily through the workflow. Create a bill to brew 10 beers per batch on the brewing table so your brewer knows the target output. A single batch consumes 20 units and takes roughly 2 in-game days, though work speed and skill can shorten that time. Monitor temperature. Keep fermentation between 10 degrees C and 30 degrees C for stable results, and avoid extreme heat that accelerates spoilage or freezes that halt production. Queue bills, prioritize brewing during idle times, and tag ingredients so the brewer pulls the correct fermentables automatically. Move finished beer to refrigerated storage to slow spoilage and stack bottles or kegs to save space. If you have a surplus, sell or trade excess beer. Price varies by market conditions, but the average base value is modest compared to raw ingredients. Offer beer to colonists at social gatherings to raise mood by about 5 to 10 points and reduce unrest. Monitor intoxication levels to avoid brawls. Label and zone storage, set haul priorities, and recycle low-quality batches into compost, if necessary, to avoid food poisoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.